I wept. I cried so hard. But these tears can't bring back my sister to life. My being brought here by my conscience. I want to ask forgiveness. But can she still hear? Oh, heart, forgive me for what I have done. Dry leaves were crushed down below, as if to freshen my memories that her life perished because of my selfishness. She was my only sister since our childhood. I believe I was the favorite of our dad. One night, while I was pacing all about to the mirror, I puffed louder when I saw Luisa's face reflecting on the mirror. "You can't get out tonight, Lucille," I heard a threatening tone from her. I turned to her, but couldn't resist her sharp stare at me. "And who says so, my dear sister? We are to celebrate Mama's death anniversary. You know that, don't you?" In a relaxed and condescending voice, I replied, "Well, I don't care. I'm going out to a party tonight." But when I heard a knock on the door, I shouted, "Help, Papa!" For I knew it was he. I pulled my hair, I tore my dress away, as I was attacked by squads of monstrous creatures. When the door opened, the sight of Papa was that Luisa was holding my neck, who was trying to make a rescue. But I cried so hard that it made Papa grow to the height of anger. He threw Luisa to the corner where the poor head of my poor sister was bit at the edge of the chair. I slowly rejoiced, for I have made a successful revenge. But when she lifted, I saw a different sparkle in her tearful eyes. Oh, my Luisa! She went out of her mind. I was not able to move as well as Papa, both of us motionless. And before we came back to our senses, Luisa ran to the door, proceeding to the open gate of our house. We followed her, calling out her name. "Luisa! Luisa! Don't cross the road, Luisa! The truck! Don't! Don't!" The next sight I saw, Luisa was still 5 meters away from the truck. I ran to her, embraced her. Blood was all over her face. In a low but distinct voice, she murmured that made my heart break so much. She said, "Lucille, please be a good girl. I love you. Papa loves you very much. Please be a good girl. I love you." "Luisa? Luisa? Sister? Sister!" And from that moment on, I cried so hard for killing my only sister who loved and cared for me, even at the last moment of her life. Now, can you blame me for asking God to forgive me? Forgive me, dear God. Forgive me.